Manipuri Popular Sarkar Mikhavai MLA Magadakana Union Home Minister Li Pohaira. Wunchimuina Satsa Kahai Manipur wuivang John Camille Center Sarkar Nalupa 153.36 crores Miami Hider. Ringyaophi, Tangkhul Express Pvt upau Ringyaophi Ningshen in a pamidule, pauping may saina nganang roomsa. Manipuri Popular Sarkar Mikhavai members of Legislative Assembly Magada Akana Union Home Minister Li Pohaira, Maram wuivang MLA Ping China Home Minister Amei Chali Karam Tarik Thratang Chithi Kapivayang. Kalaji Ministry na Samkapang Sil Achon Tarik Magada Chiko Thang Thasang Kahai Chithi Chithayang. President's rule kahaili yarina kachihan shit kasang ina welcome saya ka President's rule kachang katum kana nai hailala state li chingri kahai normalcy khwira khawai actions kakhui mathai thurada chithi chili hanga state li rot khamrat shok luira kachi khangaji leidele kala civil society organizations tarakana President's rule li makamaya ngawaw haira kachi chithi chili hang sanga State Li Popular Government Mikhavai border organizations pingna yarili release kasa yarili kakasat kala ruling MLS pingli kapen lehaira Popular Government Mikhavai claim makasa wuivang la President's rule kahaiji wirat responsibility fix sa khawai poya kajihanga Manipuri chingri khawai kala normalcy khwira khawai abong Popular Government kasem himang manakaji MLA ping china hanga Yarwi Ningajang Yangda Manipuri Thakta Popular Government Semsa Khawai Kaboy Nang Soda Popular Government like a hitharan peace in a normalcy wuivang MLA Ping China full dedications kala devotions mira gaji tui mihaira. Home Minister Li Chithi Mikasang Ji MLA Thrada Katum BJP Katum NBP kala NPF Katum Independence Khani Zanga. Popular Government Kapo Chithi Jili Kazang MLA Ping Leisalala Ramuiva Kumukcham Joy Gishant Sorai Sam Kepi Lositiko Lorem Pumt Rameshwar J Kumo Shah Sheikh Norul Hassan Punam Projent Khwairak Pumt Raj Humani Thong Pramt Robindro Thangjamt Arun Kumar Dr. Yumnamt Radeshyam Muhammad Ajab Uddin Janghendlum Banme Thokchom Rajeshyam Yumnam Kemjant Nishikata Sabam Sorokhaipam Rajent Kuraijamt Loken Gala Kongkam Robindro Atuna Ajakum Teizang the Sipan Zingrot Wunchimuina Sazakahai Manipur wuivang John Camille Center Sarkar Nalupa 153.36 crores Sang Mikhavai Miami Hider. Additional Kangajonji Union Home Minister Amei Chana Katan High Level Committee HLC na approve Sakami Pau MHA na Hortang Jishatmiya. Kangajonji National Disaster Response Fund NDRF Wiazingli Kamina. Ka Hangda Khalei 153.36 crores ji Saikoru Sampang Jaura Kaji Malaymana. Ajakum Hauko Pokli Manipur Willi Legasa SDRF balance we Tangkhai Kadadrada Center Hanga. Kagatachi Disaster Relief wuivang Mikhavai Mashichin la Leida Khalei SDRF Lupa Ji Shichin Sakavai Kasana. Wunchimuina Sadza Kahai Marami State Sarkarna Mikasang Makup Makaila Kahai Assessment Yanglaga HLC na Tudakhi Katanaji. Manipur Police we operations apam kanili nishale kasa mi mati tukwihaira. Atum we brown sugar soft case shakatum tumratamati sampanga. Nishari jil loba crore panga shikawe aman karat hanga. Atum na shikajin karikani mobile phones panga kwimihaira. Operations Chirajanpur kala Tobal District Lake Kavanada Police na ayahanga. Tukhui kahai ji zingum magada jiko Jin Khanlun kala Zingkum Tumrada Tharuk Vung Tansang Munloi Anikhanini Chirajanpur Wiminaji. Anina brown sugar soap case Shagatum Tumrada Aka Pungzat Kasana. Kala Tobal District Wina Zingkum Magada Tharuk Muhammad Wakash kala Zingkum Magada Aka Muhammad Yarish Anil Tukhuya. Ani Wina brown sugar soap case Katum Sampanga investigation kala legal actions wuivang nishari kala mi bing jili concerned police station ni misangaira. Tamenglong Shong Liret Khangayat Aina Khon Kazar Shokhaira. District Magistrate na prohibitory Parhaira. Official Chanbao Tishurta All Tamenglong Aina Dailong Village Liret Khangayat Ling Sunda Aya All Tamenglong na Rally Kazadra Kaji. Kala Rally Ji Tamenglong Village Wina Tamenglong Headquarters Lizat Varata Jili Rod Kamrat Shokpaya the District Magistrate na PNWS Section 163 Wazingli Prohibitions Parmikahaina. Video clip li thega khweti shuda yari rally kazat akashi na khangasunga akashi shongfuli lungui thamngarok road kamarat shoka district magistrate na jije khamiati shuda Tamenglong headquarters li yari ka gazib rally ka tha mazat paimara khutlai ngathanda mazat paimara gachi jizami haira prohibitions chi Tamenglong headquarters town kala dailong Tui Gailong ina all Tamenglong Kung borders areas pingli paragachi hanga. Naka now being mingin Naga organizations ngatatay the shock the khalei maramdi United Naga Council UNC na ningka kurik pongshokhaira. Organizations pingji kasangkare vested interest ina semda Bukhangapa lekhangasak la naka now being we koka kasali undermine saya kaji council jina hanghaira. United Naga Council na maningla Naga organizations kadai we amingene gazib duidak paikar kakhui kika kakhalat malaymana kala jiping jina Naga now being we ningajang la opinion mapung mana kaji UNC na hanghaira. Self-styled organizations na itum koka kasa saikorali akonli sabotage la hijack sa kawai kasali Naga ruchum na opingna makui sang kawai UNC na hanghaira. Naga ngalei todrinjan majut ngasa kawai hangda Naga ruchum na oping makamashung jan bauli mayui ba kawai stakeholders ping ningashar kawai UNC na katonghaira. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phalanathanda Raj Bhavan Conference Hall Imphali High Level Security Kazip Pamhaira. Kazip Chili State Kala Central Security Establishment with senior officials speaking zanga. Security Advisors Kuldeep Singh, Director General of Police Rajiv Singh, Major General SS Gardigia GOC 57th Mountain Divisions, ADGP Ashutosh Kumar Sinha Intelligence, ADGP Lubheng Quiland Law and Order Gala, Joint Director of SPI Navdeep Singh Griwal Atum Mashava Zanga. CRPF and PSF we miping la zanga. Abam jili mavakar online ina Kangrumli Chief Secretary PK Singh, Home Commissioner and Ashok Kumar, Lieutenant General Abhijit S. Bent Dagar GOC 3 Corps, Major General Rafrup Singh, Inspector General Assam Rifles South Kala, Major General Suresh Kumar Pambu IGAR East Atum Zangaji. Kazibji matailak na Manipur with law and order situations maram ngasanda security agencies we kangran mathamay ngasa kawai kasanaji. Interagency cooperation ground level intelligence mathamay kawai kala chingri kawai sensitive abamli security presence so din kasa maram ngasana gaji IT pauli samphanga. Aray chumna advertisement aka nang roomsa. Ukruli Khalei St. Joseph College li 2025-26 academic sessions with admissions hafokhaira. College li Bachelor of Arts, BA Honors, English, History, Political Science, Sociology, Education, Economics, Bachelor of Science, PSC Honors, Physics, Chemistry, Botany kala Zoology da program ngata data lay. Bachelor of Social Works program lalaya. St. Joseph College Ukrul na kami bachelor's degree course chi Manipur University li affiliate kasana. Itum na thay by 2015 kum tharkat kaka St. Joseph College Ukrul District with Kare Catholic College ngasai. College na zingkum chuko zadra ka haya lungli katam nauping Manipur University rank holders li kazang sampanghaira. Manipur University rank holders kazang college chiwi Janpao Atishurda 2020 kum Rinchula Shatsang na education li 3rd rank, Sojanpi A Shatsang na education 9th rank, 2021 li Horbem Kapai education li 5th rank, 2023 li Duishim Hongre na education li 3rd rank, Hokui Mizimik na PSW wi 6th rank, 2024 kum Kanchuiri Longleng na economics li 2nd rank, Bemi John R. Shumri na PSW li 5th rank kala Jingri Raleng na PSW 7 Treng Likazang Sampang Hiram. St. Joseph College Ukrul Litam Kavai admission forms College Office Lit Sampangram. Hiwi Maram 9862309173 Maningaka 8131974175 Lila Nghan Vapaira. Email address kala website screen azingli yang kui paira. Latluita achiwi kamataya pauping. Manipuri Popular Sarkar Sem Kavai MLA Magadakana Union Home Minister Li Pohaira. Unchimuina Satsa Kahai Manipur wuivang John Camille Center Sarkar na lupa 153.36 crores Miami Haira. Ajiwi pau hiling ajang haira pau ngana da kleina thum saikorali Ringyaophi kala khamhai zimik shong sa serana.